Police investigations are underway to determine the motive behind the killing of 2 people at Durban's Magistrates Court this afternoon. Right now we are joined by Thembeka Mbele, who is the spokesperson of the police in KwaZulu-Natal. Ma, thank you very much for your time. First of all, please give us the latest. How many people were killed? How many people were injured?
For now, it's 2 people that were killed. It's an ex-wife to the suspect as well as the brother, the alleged brother, because there was a divorce matter that was carrying on at the court. And then at 11 o'clock, they adjourned for whatever reasons. And immediately when they were about to start, the session was about to start again, that's when the suspect withdrew a firearm and fired several shots, fatally wounding the ex-wife as well as his brother. And immediately at the time, he then took the gun and shot himself. But he's in a very critical condition. He was rushed to the hospital. He is going to face the charges of murder, double murder. He is arrested and is under police guard at the hospital.
Is he a police officer? Can you confirm that?
Yes, it can be confirmed that he is a police officer stationed outside in the stations outside the CBD.
Some people are questioning, but then again one would say because he's a police officer, it was easier for him to enter the court with his firearm. How did he enter the court with a firearm?
Although I cannot elaborate on that, but if you've got a firearm that has been issued to it's your responsibility. As a police, you have to carry a firearm wherever you go. And he was on duty. He was working. Was not on leave. He was not dismissed, but he's still working. That's why he has to carry the firearm with him.
This happens at a time whereby yesterday 16 days of activism against women abuse was launched, the campaign. As a female police officer, are you concerned about this incident that a female person was shot and killed barely a day after the launch?
It's very concerning and it's very disturbing that we just launched the 16 days of activism and then a woman is killed. And also further, I can just advise women, if they're in a very abusive relationship or marriages, to please speak to the people that will be advising them and giving them advices and referring them to the right constitution.
Do we know the ages of the victims?
The deceased is 35 and the alleged brother is said to be 26 years old, and the suspect is 32 years old.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks.
Well, that's Thembeka Mbele, who's the spokesperson of the police in KwaZulu-Natal.